Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start half-yearly syllabus of Class 6 Math, Chapter 5, Fractions. And this is part 4th video, last video. And today's topic, exercise 5.4. That is last exercise. Yes, student, exercise 5.4. Simplify the following. E part 10 whole 4 by 15 plus 9 whole 7 by 15 plus 8 whole 8 by 15. So firstly we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 10 whole 4 by 15 becomes 154 by 15. First we multiply 10 into 15, that is 150 plus 4, 154 by 15. In this way 9 whole 7 by 15, it becomes 142 by 15. 8 whole 8 by 15 becomes 128 by 15. So first step, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we have to take here we see all the denominators are same, so it's already like fraction. So LCM of denominator is 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. So we write here LCM 15 and numerator place number 154 plus 142 plus 128. After adding, it becomes 424 by 15. Change it into mixed fraction, it becomes 28 whole 4 by 15, and this is the final answer. See one more part, K part. 7 whole 3 by 4 minus 5 whole 1 by 6 plus 6 whole 5 by 8. First we have to convert these all three mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 whole 3 by 4 becomes 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31 by 4. 5 whole 1 by 6, 5 6 ja 31, 31 by 6 plus 6 whole 5 by 8, 8 6 ja 48 plus 5, 53 by 8. Now here you see denominators are different, so this is unlike, these all fractions are unlike fraction. So first we have to change this fraction into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator, that is 468. LCM of 468 becomes 24. So we have to convert these all denominators into 24. First 31 by 4, 4 6 ja 24, so we multiply 6 by 6 both numerator denominator. 31 by 6, 6 4 ja 24, so multiply by 4. 53 by 8, 8 3 ja 24, so multiply by 3. Now 31 6 ja 186 and 4 6 ja 24 minus 31 4 ja 124, 6 4 ja 24 plus 53 3 ja 159 upon 8 3 ja 24. Now it becomes like fraction. Take LCM of denominator, that is 24. Now write the numerator place digit 186 minus 124 plus 159. Now see here, this is 186 plus 159, both are positive, so add 186 plus 159. It becomes 345 minus 124 upon 24. When we subtract these, it becomes 221 by 24, and this is improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction, it becomes 9 whole 5 by 24, and this is the final answer. Yes student. Next part, N part, 4 whole 5 by 6 minus 3 whole 11 by 12. So first we have to change these both mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 6 ja 24 plus 5, 29 by 6, 3 12 ja 36 and 11, that is 47 by 12. Now both the fractions are unlike fraction because denominators are different, 6 12. So we have to change this into like fraction. For that, firstly we have to take LCM of denominator, that is 12. So 29 by 6, 6 2 are 12, so multiply by 2 both numerator denominator, and here already 12, so multiply by 1 both numerator denominator. So 29 2 are 58, 6 2 are 12, 58 by 12, 47 1 are 47, 12 1 are 12. Now both the fractions are like fractions, so we have to write here LCM of 12 12 12 and write numerator parts, that is 58 minus 47, 58 minus 47, so it becomes 11 by 12. Next Q part, 10 whole 2 by 9 minus 4 whole 1 by 18 minus 3 whole 4 by 27. First we have to change all three mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 10 whole 2 by 9 becomes 92 by 9. This becomes 73 by 18. This becomes 85 by 27. Now see here, all denominators are different, 9, 18, 27. So this is unlike fraction. So changing it into like fraction, firstly we have to take LCM of 9, 18, 27, which is 54. So we have to change all these denominator into 54. So see here, 92 by 9, 9 6 are 54. So by 6 you have to multiply both numerator denominator. Here 18 3 are 24. So multiply by 3 both numerator denominator. Here 27 2 are 54. So we have to multiply by 2 both numerator denominator. So see here, 92 6 are 552, 9 6 are 54. 73 3 are 219, 18 3 are 54, 85 2 are 170, 27 2 are 54. Now here you see denominators are same, so all these three fractions are like fraction. Now take LCM 54, 54, 54, LCM 54, and write the numerator part, that is 552 minus 219 minus 170. Okay, now see here, this is positive number 552, but 219 and 117 both are negative, so add both numbers, 219 and 117, so it becomes 389. Now 552 minus 389, it becomes 163 by 54. This is improper fraction, change into mixed fraction, so it becomes 3 whole 1 by 54. And this is the final answer. Like that you have to solve remaining part. Question number 3. Biman purchased sweet words this from a shop. Biman gave a note of rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. Find the amount that shopkeeper will return to Biman. So students, see here, cost of sweets is rupees 73 whole 1 by 4. This is mixed fraction. We have to change this into improper fraction, that is 73 4 ja 292 plus 1, 293 by 4. Okay, so cost of sweet is this, and money gave to shopkeeper rupees 500. So amount that shopkeeper will return to him is 500, that amount given, minus cost of sweets, that is 293 by 4. So students, see here, here denominator is 1 and 4. So this is unlike fraction, so change it into like fraction. So 500 by 1 into 4 by 4 we multiply here, and here 293 by 4, because 1 and 4, LCM of 1 and 4 is 4, that's why we multiply this 1 into 4, and here 4 into 1. So after multiplying it becomes 2000 by 4, and it becomes 293 by 4. See here, now both the fraction become like fraction. Why? Because both the denominators are equal. So LCM of 4 4 4, 2000 minus 293, it becomes 1707 upon 4. This is improper fraction, change it into mixed fraction, so it becomes rupees 400 26 whole 3 by 4. So this amount that shopkeeper will return to Vimal. Yes, student, question 5. Tuki purchased a shirt worth this, a pant this, and a banian for 100 rupees 100. Find the total amount spent by Tuki for the purchases. Okay. So students, see here, cost of shirt is this. So this is mixed fraction. So convert it into improper fractions. So we have to multiply 525 into 2. That is 1050 plus 1. 1051 by 2. Cost of pant rupees this. So we have to convert it into improper fractions. So we have to multiply 950 into 2. It becomes 1900 plus 1. That is 1901 by 2. And cost of banian is rupees 100. Now total cost rupees 1051 by 2 plus rupees 1901 by 2 plus rupees 100. So students, see here. Here we have to take LCM to convert these like fractions. So LCM of 2, 2 and 1 becomes 2. So here already 2 is there, here also 2, but here 1 is there. So we have to convert this 1 into 2, so that these all three fractions become like fraction. So 100 by 1 into 2 into 2 by 2, we multiply both numerator denominator. Now it becomes 1051 by 2 plus 1901 by 2, or 100 2 is 200 by 2. Now take LCM of denominator, because all these fractions are like fractions. So 2 2 2 LCM 2, write the numerator place number, that is 1051 plus 1901 plus 200. After adding all these three, it becomes 3152 by 2. We have to cut this by the table of 2, so it becomes 1576. So rupees 1576 amount spent by Tuki for the purchase, and this is the final answer. Yes, student, question number 7. A jar of milk has 20 liter of milk. 15 4 by 5 liter was taken away from the jar, and again 7 whole 3 by 4 liter was added. How much milk is still there in the jar? So student, we have given information, total quantity of milk in the jar 20 liter. Milk taken away from the jar 15 whole 4 by 5 liter, that is 79 by 5 liter. Why? 15 5 is 75 plus 4 79 by 5. This is mixed fraction, we convert it into improper fraction. Milk added in the jar, that is 7 whole 3 by 4 liter. This is mixed fraction, change it into improper fraction, so it becomes 7 4 jar 28 plus 3 31 by 4 liter. Now student, we have to ask how much milk is still there in the jar. So quantity of milk still in the jar. Milk in the jar is 20 liter. Milk taken away means minus that 79 by 5. So we write here 20 minus 79 by 5. Milk added means plus, so added 31 by 4, so plus 31 by 4. Now students, see here, here denominator is 154, that is different denominator, so these are unlike fractions, so we have to take LCM. 154, LCM of 154 is 20, so we have to convert these all denominator into 20. So see here, look here, 20 by 1 into 20, so by 20 you have to multiply here both numerator denominator. 79 by 5 4 are 20, so multiply by 4 both numerator denominator. 31 by 4, so 4 5 are 20, so we have to multiply by 5 both numerator denominator. Now look here, 20 20 are 400, 120 are 20, 400 by 20, 79 4 are 316, 5 4 are 20, 31 5 are 155, 4 5 ja 20. Now it becomes like fraction because denominators are same, 20 20 20. So LCM of 20 20 20 20. Now write the numerator place number, that is 400 minus 316 plus 155. Now student, look here, this 400 is positive, 155 is also positive. So you have to add this 400 plus 155, that is 555 minus 316 by 20. After subtraction it becomes 239 by 20. So we have to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. It becomes 11 19 by 20, and this is the final answer. So milk is still there in the jar is 11 whole 19 by 20 liter. Okay students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.